Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today I'm very near Orlando. I'm in Winter Park, and I am going to tell you this is a good spot to walk your dog. Stay with us. If you are a dog owner like me and like to bring your baby everywhere, and you go to Orlando and you say, where can I bring the dog? Well, this is Lake Baldwin, and it is a great place to bring your dog. I'm going to do a series of dog videos on places to bring your dog when you go to Orlando, because you got to bring your baby with you, and you got to know where you can bring them and where's a fun place for both them and for you. Well, this is in Winter Park, and it's very close, minutes from Orlando, and it's Lake Baldwin Park. And we're going to take a walk around. I'll show you some of the signs and what this dog park has. What I like about it is it's huge. It is a really big dog park. I mean, it's not just this little place where you bring small and dogs and big dogs, because you bring all different sizes. So be aware, if you have a small dog and they're afraid of big dogs, they might not like it. But if you have a dog that likes the water, this place is amazing, because you can see over there, that is the lake, and dogs will definitely play in the lake. Also, I wanted to show you, because I thought this was cool, little library of books. If you're watching your dog and your dog's playing, maybe you want to sit and read a book, you can grab them from there and then put it back. Or maybe you have a child who wants to be entertained and they can read that book while you're taking care of your pooch. So this is it. I'm going to show you both sides, on the right side, on the left side, and as we go forward. That is the beach, and there are definitely some benches down there that you can sit on. And there's a lot of regulars that go here that know each other, and the dogs know each other as well. But all the dogs, of course, are curious to meet the new pup, and sometimes they do surround them. And my dog is not a big water dog. She's a Corgi mix, and Corgis don't always like water, and they have short legs, so they're not too fond. But a lot of dogs love the water. But I bring her here anyway, because she likes to be in an open area and have some freedom. So look, she looks a little bit scared. She's not sure what to do, so she comes to me. But there's some other dogs who want to greet her. We didn't have any problems with the dogs. They were all friendly and happy to say hello. And you can see, next I'm going to show you the ones, there's a lot in the water. That one almost looks like a bear. They're having fun, and sometimes the owners go in as well and enjoy the water. Billy, not so much. Here I am with Billy, and she says, let's go sit somewhere away from these dogs. She's overwhelmed. We spent a lot of time just sitting on a bench under a nice tree, getting a lot of shade, while Billy just walked around near us. You know, she didn't know the place, but it's just beautiful. I keep showing you all around because I just can't believe how big it is and how much space it is and how great it is for dogs. There is a building, and it looks like it has bathrooms. And I think at one time, it probably was some kind of concession stand. It wasn't open, and I don't know if it ever opens or not, but it is over here, and the bathrooms are on the sides. Well, this is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. We have a lot of videos around Orlando, so please watch them all.